Managing Trustee, Excel Group Institution. Ganapati, Vice Principal. Other faculty members, students, the student community has employed to a larger extent. But you would have heard the statement given by the Honorable Principal, where we have secured very good marks, very high rank holders, showing excellence in multi-fields. But still, the question is very simple. Apart from all these things, we need to make our education system competitive at par with the global level. In fact, coming to the Government of India situation, we have declared a நிகழ்ச்சி எப்படி அந்த வேலை போயிருக்கிற அனைவருக்கும் பாதுகாப்பையும் சுகாதாரத்தையும் அளிக்க வேண்டும் என்பதற்கான ஒரு கோட்பாடை இந்திய அரசாங்கம் 2009ஆம் ஆண்டு உருவாக்கியுள்ளது. இந்த அடிப்படையில் இன்ஃபேக்ட் the Government of India circulated to all the state government to include safety, health and environment as an important requirement in their academic syllabus. இதற்காக ஏற்கனவே 2009-10 சுற்றறிக்கைகள் மாநில அரசுக்கு மத்திய அரசாங்கத்தின் மூலமாக அனுப்பப்பட்டிருக்கிறது. இதனுடைய அடிப்படை கருத்து என்னவென்றால், ஒரு அகாடமிக் ஸ்டூடெண்ட், ஒரு ஸ்கூல் ஸ்டூடெண்ட், ஒரு பிரைமரி ஸ்கூல், செகண்டரி ஸ்கூல் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் மட்டும் இல்லாமல் ஒரு ஐடி ஸ்டூடெண்ட், பாலிடெக்னிக் ஸ்டூடெண்ட், engineering students, plus your own medical professional, one should know about the occupational safety, health and environment requirement. இன்னைக்கு ஒரு எஜுகேஷன், சார் சொன்ன மாதிரி எஜுகேஷன் இன்னைக்கு நம்ம என்ன எதிர்பார்க்கிறோம், ஒரு ரேங்க் எடுக்கிறோம், ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ரேங்க் எடுக்கிறோம், இல்லை we are getting excellent, we are getting high percentage, distinction வாங்குறோம். இது மட்டும் குறிக்கோள் கிடையாது. இன்றைக்கு டெக்னிக்கல் எஜுகேஷன் நம்ம எடுத்துக்கும் பொழுது, when we take the technical education, particularly ITI, Polytechnic and your own engineering colleges, this technical education should reflect the basic reality. When we don't prepare ourselves to work in the industry, it is very difficult for anyone to cope up with the system. For simple example, we have a system to do. So let us understand, after completing a diploma, after completing your course in a successful manner, you are just given a license. The success is how this license can be made effective. Our real challenge is when you go to the industry, when you go to your workplace, how are you going to do it? That is the biggest challenge each and every person is facing whenever it goes to a working system. Number two, coming to the industrial scenario, if you see, originally there were ITAs. Many of you might have heard about the industrial system. First, originally we had ITA people who work in the machine and who are the entry-level people in the industry. Then now what happens, if you go to the industry, the entry-level people are diploma people. Many industries have removed the ITA concept at all. In the test room, not even 5% will be utilized in your industrial environment. Whatever you read, in fact I did be in mechanical and integral machinery and IIT Madras, but when you go to practicing, you will not be even using 5% of whatever you learn. So the industry requires something completely different from the academic environment. What we read is based on the academic system and succeed in your life. In fact, when we talk about the interviews, when we go to the interview, you talk an electrical engineer or a diploma electrical guy, what is Ohm's law? Maybe during examination, they will remember V is equal to IR. But after 1 or 2 years, they forget. Because they may say many times, so why should I use Ohm's law? It's going to be electrical engineer. You talk a civil fellow and you ask him what is the uniformly distributed load. You may not be able to or mug up something and write in the exam. You have seen the trend what happens in engineering colleges. The person student securing the first marks, particularly state holders, rank holders, they find it difficult to cope up with the education system. Even the IITs, renowned institutes like IITs and everything, they find it difficult to cope up with, despite securing good marks in their secondary level. Because the problem here is, we are unable to take the things in a rational manner. Our fundamentals are not strong. Number three, our research and development, which is another important issue. Many students, the academic system can only survive if you go to research and development. If you go to Western countries, all the academic institutions, they are involved in research. The government funded project, the government industry sponsored research are taken care of by the academic institutions. And this research activity should be, I would like to have more institutions. In fact, in this particular field, almost 10 engineering colleges are offering this initiative in South India, and we are working, supporting all the academic institutions in the field of occupational safety and health. Definitely, we will try to work together, and we hope to see a conference or a national workshop with our support in the same campus, wherein we will support the institution. And the ultimate idea is to like to spread the knowledge among the students, their employability and their skills and talent, which should be at par with the global level. Thank you very much for the patient here. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.